Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Musti from T&H Auto Repairs and Wreckers. We've got here a 2015 Kia Sorento. This is a UM series. It's got the 3.3 V6 engine. So we had a call from the customer stating that there was a noise coming from her engine. So the technician told her to come in, we'll have a look at it, see what the problem is. So once she drove in the driveway, we knew straight away from years of experience that that was called a bottom end noise. So usually a main bearing wearing, con rods, so on. So I'll start it up for you quickly so you can have an idea what I'm talking about. Give me a second. Oops. Can't get the bonnet open, but pretty sure you should be able to hear that knocking noise. It's usually like a rattle or a knock. Um, you only have two options: replace it with a secondhand engine or rebuild. So we've quoted the customer on both, but obviously it was out of her budget, so we offered to buy the car off her. Yeah, obviously she's probably going to buy a brand new car, so we bought this off her. We're going to wreck it, sell as parts. Obviously we're not going to sell the engine because obviously the engine is no good. We usually do a thorough test if we can, for any noises as you heard, rattles, knockings, so on. So our guys are usually try to test everything, like windows, stereo. If we can test the transmission, we'll try to test the transmission, go for a test drive. I don't know if we can do this one, just in case engine will seize up and we'll get stuck on the road. So just to make clear, we do thorough checks as much as we can. The guys will clean the parts, make sure there's no defects, and obviously we give you warranty with it. Standard warranties are usually 3 months on engine transmissions. Electrical, we give 14 days. We try to take as many photos as possible, part numbers, just to show what parts you're getting, so there's no misunderstanding. So whatever the guys will take photos, they usually take about maybe a minimum 4 photos, upload on eBay or on our website, just to clarify that what you're getting. Panels, they usually mark out dints, and you'll see them in the photos. I can see one dint there, if you can see it. We try to be thorough as possible, make sure you're getting good quality parts at a reasonable price. So if you got any inquiries, give us a call. If you need repairs, give us a call. We'll put all the descriptions on our on the bottom of the page. If you have further questions on a certain part, just message us or call us, and we'll see if we can figure out if the part is correct for your car. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. we'll try to upload as many possible photos and videos on our website and YouTube. And yeah, thanks for watching.